Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm doing an unboxing and this is CURLBOX. CURLBOX is a monthly hair subscription targeted towards people with curly hair. It is $20 with a $5 shipping charge. So this one was outside the box and it is Lotta Body, Milk Honey, Tame Me, and this is an edge control. Alright. So I already just cut this up just so it can save us some time, but I haven't seen what I got. So of course it comes with a little booklet and some paper stuff and lets you know what products you got. Alright, and this is what I got. Alright, the first product is Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo. Looks like this. Alright, the next product, it is a cream conditioner. Next we have Refine Me, and this is a curl defining mousse. And the last product I got is Nourish Me, and it is a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, that is everything I got for this month's CURLBOX. If you want to see a tutorial using these products, just give the video a thumbs up because it lets me know that is something you want to see. So thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and have a wonderful week. Bye.